Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We go straight over to Virgin Galactic. White Knight is in the air. White Knight is in the air. This is breaking news. It's happening now. It's been in the air for about an hour, actually, doing test flights. Very exciting. This is happening right now over the Mojave Desert. We're keeping an eye on it. We're trying to keep in contact with Virgin Galactic and find out what exactly is going on. Very, very exciting this afternoon. We're looking forward to finding out what's happening, how the test is going. But as you can see, this is live right now over the Mojave Desert. I am going over to Twitter right now and seeing some of the posts, and I will share it with you. So let's bring some of that information to you right now. This is very, very exciting. We're at 25,000 feet. We're actually doing test flights now. If we look at the stock price of Virgin Galactic, it's up today 10%, 10.1%. Very, very nice indeed. I'm up 42% today overall. I mean, but anyway, let's go back to it. Keep our eye on what's going on here, and let's go over to Twitter right now. What we're seeing is Virgin Galactic White Knight first test flight. Has just passed the 1 hour mark. Aircraft is over the mountains, the southwest of the Mojave Desert, ascending past 26,000 feet. We're now at 26,000. You can see it on the screen. If you zoom in there, you can see exactly what's going on. The stock price is looking great. We've got replies getting very excited. Let me just read down. Let's have a look at this. This is some breaking news for us right now. This is Seeking Alpha market news. Virgin Galactic stock surges amid test flights. Virgin Galactic is up 10% on Wednesday as the company's first test flight in over a year took flight. This is good to see. Very, very nice indeed. Let me bring up on the screen some of our tickers so we can share some information with you. Okay, here we go. Welcome everybody over on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook. This is very exciting news. We're watching and we're keeping a close eye on White Knight 2, which is in the air right now as we speak. Good afternoon, Crag. If you come into the live show, you can call in. Members can be live on the show. Queen of Self-Braiding, how are you? We've gone live early today because of this breaking news. I'm always trying to bring you the latest, most accurate, most reliable news possible. That's our aim. So if it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe. I go live up to 10 hours a day in my studio, over 12 hours a day. Yes, this is my full-time thing, and I'm here with you every day trying to share with you all the breaking news as it happens. Hi, Crag, says Queen. So we can still see now what White Knight is doing. Will hit 6.08 and retrace. I've no doubt about it that it'll come back down again. It's what the stock does. So you might want to take a profit and buy it back down. Of course, you can always do that. For me, I am looking to get the stock price a lot lower. I think it's going to go down lower before it goes up. So there we are. As you can see, this is White Knight right now. Let me get some more information. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. The overall stock market position, you can see my overall position is here now. Let me share it with you on the screen a moment. Here we go. This is my overall position, up 0.91. Now, the S&P is up today. Virgin Galactic, we can see, is up 10.02. The Row, been watching you for some time. I have 1,000 shares and do like your 100% transparent approach to this. Thank you very much indeed, Row. I appreciate that very much indeed. I put a video out earlier about Elon Musk. What do you think about that? If you want an honest opinion, go and check that out. Anyway, thank you, The Row. I appreciate that. Lovely to have you here. I believe it's your first time. I don't think you're you're not one of our members. Let me invite you to access our Discord so you can call in and share your views, talk to all our traders and investors. It's free. Here is our Discord channel. If you'd like to be If you'd like to actually be on the show, a member as well, this is White Knight. You can see what it's doing. Here's an invitation to join. I'm opening up the Discord lounge now, so if anybody wants to call in, you can call in. Let me go over there right now and open the Discord lounge up. This is the Discord lounge, and you can actually call in to the show if you want to be live on the show. At the bottom of the screen, if you are a YouTube member, you will see our Discord lounge right at the bottom here. You can call in and be live on the show. Okay. Thanks. I'll look into it. You're very, very welcome. We have the highest engagement rate of live viewers who are members than any other channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers, and our average viewership is 4 hours a day. We're live up to 10 hours a day, and our viewers and our members are here all the time. And you will see in the chat, some of them are not here yet. They were expecting to come back and join me at 2 o'clock, which is in 15 minutes. For our lunch break, but I went live early because I saw this news, so I wanted to bring it to you. Let me try and get some of my sources from Virgin Galactic. I've got plenty of sources that I speak to on Twitter. Eve is flying. This comes from John Cody. I hope I get to fly on Virgin Galactic one day. My name is on the list. I'm going to Virgin Galactic Space Station in the summer. We're having a day trader convention there. I'm going there. And I'm very excited about that. So last year I was in the space orbit, Virgin Orbit space station in England. Hi, Mike. How are you? Seems to be leaning toward the short-term bear side a lot lately. Yes, it is. It's a stock that I'm afraid in the current climate makes perfect sense. In the current climate, it's not going to do well short-term. Long-term it will. But short term, no question about it. People are desperate to make money. That they've lost a lot of money recently. This is the stock price right now. This is my real money, my real position. I used to have 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I have a plan to buy many, many more. I've got a Virgin Galactic single coming out soon. I don't know if you know, but I'm the world piano man. This is my TV studio here, and I'm producing a Virgin Galactic song in this studio. There you go. This is me from the back, and we're doing that later on this year. But right now, this is the stock price. This is what we're watching right now. Virgin Galactic is circling the Mojave Desert. You can see it. We're at... where are we now? We're at 194 knots is the ground speed, 29,000 feet. It's just been going round and round for about an hour and 15 minutes. I caught it just about an hour in to the flight. I was having my lunch at the time, and I heard it from one of my sources, so I jumped straight on it and brought it to you. You can see what's going on. You don't see a steady rise now due to anticipation and FOMO. You have changed your tune a little bother from when I first started watching. Yeah, my situation has changed. I'm still extremely bullish on Virgin Galactic. However, we are in a different market now. When I first started investing, we were at the top of a bull market. We are now in a bear market. You have to go with where... don't fight the Fed. Unfortunately, we are in a world right now where we've got higher inflation. Virgin Galactic, if they don't get this to the public in the next few months, they'll go bankrupt. They're burning through cash. They have to get it. This is why I believe I can buy it a lot cheaper before it goes up. They have to get it in the air quick because they're running out of money. It's no point just keep doing tests. Of course, that's important. It's a rocket company, and we want them to take their time and get it right. If we have a crash, it's all over. However, they're running out of money, and with the cost of borrowing going up, and of course, people who might want to fly struggling to afford the cost of it, they need to get in the air quicker than as soon as possible. Let's have a look. Let's read some of the information here. Some of the people that I follow. Some information is not accurate, and I don't like bringing people inaccurate information. I want to bring what's actually happening. A lot of people are promoting this stock. I'm not promoting it. It's my real shares, my real money. I'm not here to do that. I'm here just to bring you the facts. It's circling the spaceport at the moment. Virgin Galactic stock is now up 11% today. I used to have 2,000 shares of it, and I sold my position because I know it's going down in the short term. So I put my money into Next Era Energy, and you can see I'm going up. That's where some of my money went. Some of my money also went into Enphase Energy. It also went into VU. I want a stable portfolio. It also went into Coca-Cola, because all these are defensive stocks. And J&J is going through a court case now of the talcum powder situation. So I bought, we've got a helicopter approaching Virgin Galactic right now. It's getting very close. Let me go back to that. It's about to go right past this helicopter. Of course, the helicopter could be on the ground. I'm not tracking that. But it's going right over it, look. That's interesting, isn't it? We're going to see a mid-air collision. We wouldn't, of course, want to see that. Not even funny, but there you go. There is White Knight 2. We're tracking it right now. We won't be in a bear market. We won't be in a bull market, I'm sorry to say, until the summer at the earliest. We've seen CPI yesterday. We know where the prices are going. We know where inflation is going. It's Sir Richard in his chopper. Hey, there you go. Look. I'm not sure I agree about the cash burn change. Bear market circumstances. Anyway, respect your opinion. Great stuff. Well, Martyn, 1988, you are free to call in on the show. Let me give you the invitation to join. If you are a YouTube member, you can call in via Discord. We have people call in all the time. You can call in and be on our show. Here is a Discord link. It's open now. If anybody wants to call in, let me go to Discord now, see if anybody is in the broadcast lounge. There's nobody in there just yet. This is the broadcast lounge at the bottom of our, let me share with you, at the bottom of our Discord channel. There it is. There's the Discord lounge right down there. You can actually call in and be live on the show. If you want to, you can be in on our show and you can ask me a question. You can share your opinions, and we would like that very much indeed. Okay, we're keeping a close eye on White Knight right now. This is what's going on. And we're keeping an eye on the stock price. We're keeping an eye on my sources from Virgin Galactic. As all rocket companies, they are very tight-lipped about anything. They don't share much information, I'm afraid. We don't know what's going on until after the event. We know it's in the air. We know that. But anyway, let's look at my stocks. J&J, look, this is going down. This is the court case situation. We've got Virgin Galactic is still going up, 10.75, 10.43, just trimming off a little bit. I am not going to sell it. Every time it pops up like this, I'm not going to sell it. I'm waiting for it to go further down, and I will buy back more. I want to get to 4,000 shares again. I used to have 2,000. I want to get 4,000, but I'm making my money at the moment in other stocks. Tesla's coming back down again. That's going to come back to 120. I know because I put the video out this morning about Elon Musk's terrible Twitter post offended me. It was disgusting behavior. But anyway, that's another video, another story. We're still watching Virgin Galactic. It's now going out further over the desert. This is the furthest point it's been. It was circling the desert for a while. It's still at 29,000 feet. We don't know if the rocket is attached. It might be just White Knight doing its thing. We don't know. But anyway, let's bring some comments in here. Been ages since I caught your show. Sean Collins finally got back to one. How are you, Sean? Lovely to have you here. We've grown a lot since you saw us. We started a year and a half ago with no subscribers, and we're nearly at 7,000 now. I think 6,000, in fact 6,400 and something, I think it is. We are giving away a cash prize today, as we do on every show. If you smash the like button, if we get 100 likes, I will give away the money I make on the video live in the show. So there we go. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up as we are watching White Knight take off. There we go. Smash the like button. Let me go over now and show you how many we've got. And let's see if I'll put a minute on the clock. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. Are you ready? Here we go. If we get 100 likes on the video, we will give away a cash prize of the money I make in the video. You ready? Okay, let me show you. We've got 39, 40 watching right now. There you go. If we get 100 likes, by the end of the show, I'll be here for another hour. Here is 15 likes. See it? Smash the like, guys. If we get 100 likes, I will give away the money I make on the video. It'll be paid out through Cash App, PayPal, live on the show. 16? Come on, you can do it. 30 seconds to go. How many people are watching? 41 watching? 17? 18? 22 seconds to go. We try to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. It's my full-time commitment to bringing you the latest, most honest, real information I can. Okay, we got to 18. All right, never mind. Maybe we have lots of bots watching us this afternoon. I don't know. Anyway, let's go back to White Knight right now and let's see. Let's go back to White Knight right now and have a little look. If anybody wants to call in, 19 now. Fantastic. Thank you very much. If anybody wants to call in live to the show, you can. Okay, it's turning back southwest now, heading back towards the hangar. Let's see if we can get any more information from Twitter. No more information coming out yet. It's a rocket company. It tends to be very, very tight-lipped on its information. I put out quite a strong video just a few moments ago, about an hour ago actually. I don't know if anyone checked it out, but I put a video out about Elon Musk's disgusting tweet last night. Very controversial, very offensive, and I've now declared that I will never buy a Tesla because of it, and I stand by that. I don't know if anybody has, if you've seen the video yet, but if you've not seen the video, go and check it out. It's my most recent video I just posted. I've never seen anything quite like it. I think he should be fired as a CEO from the company. You tell me what you think. Maybe you disagree. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, let's check out our stock price right now. Here we go. Now, I have some friends who work at Virgin Galactic. I'm in constant contact with Virgin Galactic, and I will bring you the information as soon as I get any information. I was checking on the success of the wing test, the taxi test. Never got any information back. There's lots of people who are putting out information that is not accurate. Redditors are trying to pump stock. We saw that happen with Mullen. We saw that happen with Lucid. We had the fake buyout from the United Arab Emirates buyout. All that was fake on a gossip website. I discovered that and put that out to everybody. A lot of stocks being manipulated right now. But anyway, there it is. Virgin Galactic is still holding up. Martin, what is the reason you think Virgin Galactic to go lower again? Because of the market we are in. We are not in all the large investors I speak to. People I speak to have millions of shares of Amazon, millions of shares of Tesla. In fact, I was just having dinner with somebody who has a very, very large stake in Amazon. Big time investors like that won't touch Virgin Galactic yet. That's why it's been sold off, because first of all, the stock is manipulated. It's pumped and dumped too quickly. Second of all, we are in a bear market. This is a bear market rally. High risk stock bounce back first, but they also get sold off first. And it's why I have moved my money. I sold my 2,000 shares. And I have put my money at the moment. I intend to buy back, just like Richard Branson sold, just like Elon Musk sold. So don't bin me off just because I sold my shares. That doesn't make me, not a bull on a stock. It just means I can make money elsewhere. So right now I've been buying, as I shared on the screen with you, and I'll share you again. This is my real money, my real trades. I bought Next Era Energy for its dividend payout in the next couple of weeks. Enphase Energy as well. I bought that. I also bought J&J because it's going through the court case. That is now a giveaway stock. One of the best companies you can hold, one of the most defensive stocks. That's why I think Virgin Galactic is going to go down before it goes up. Coca-Cola, I've been buying that. I've also been buying the S&P 500. This is my entire portfolio. Look, I've got $36,000 there. And I intend to buy back. Now, if I miss the pump, it doesn't matter. I want to fly on Virgin Galactic. I don't have to own all the shares. If it goes up without me, that's fine. I can make money elsewhere. I don't have to own the stock. Let me go back to Discord. I think, no, I was just checking to see if we've got anybody that wants to call in. No, there's nobody in Discord at the moment. Just wanted to make sure that we've got anybody in there. If anybody wants to call in, the Discord lounge is open. You can be live on the show. Just want to say hello or wish everybody well. Right, White Knight is coming back now. So, the row, what do you think? Do you think it's a one-way street? It's just going to keep going up? However, there's plenty of stocks I can make money on. I don't have to own anything. As long as I've got a balanced portfolio that makes me money, it doesn't matter what I own. I've got a target of 100 grand by the end of this year and 200 grand by the end of next year. And I'm on target for that. I've maxed out my IRA. I'm just about to max out my IRA from Robinhood, which only started in December. So I'm very happy with my position. You don't have to own anything right now. Most of the investors I know won't even come in this stock yet. Do you think the court case against Robinhood is justified? The court case against Robinhood is justified. To be honest with you, I don't have enough information on that to give an honest opinion. I don't know. To be honest, I don't have any information on that. And I presume you mean, Richard Branson. I beg your pardon. The court case from Richard Branson. Oh, you're talking about the disclosure of facts. About the, yeah, okay, sorry, I thought RB, I was thinking Robin Hood. I apologise. Richard Branson. No, I think it's ridiculous that shareholders want to sue Richard Branson for, not disclosing enough information. I think that's ridiculous. You make your own judgment. All stock is manipulated to a certain degree, and it makes perfect sense for Richard Branson to sell when it was up and buy it back lower. That's what Richard Branson's going to, that's what Elon Musk is going to do. Elon Musk is going to sell it up the top and dump it back down again. We know that. But no, I have no issue with that. We've got all great companies get sued all the time. J&J, everyone's selling out J&J, look, because of the talcum powder case. And I was speaking to someone today who's a big investor, who's a pharmacist, and he says there's no concern for J&J. They've got insurance for this. The stock price will go down, and then it'll come back up again. So a court case or anything like that is not an issue for me. But anyway, I'm glad to see Tesla's going back down again after the video I put out. I was disgusted by Elon Musk, absolutely disgusted. And I declared today I would never buy a Tesla because of it. Anyway, let's go back to White Knight. Let's see what it's doing. Let's see if we've got 100 likes yet. We've got 49 watching and 24 likes. If you've just tuned in, if we get 100 likes, I will give away the cash money I make in the video. Live on the show, I'll show you how much I've got and I'll pay it out directly on the show. So please smash the like button. 26 likes now. Awesome. Now, I don't know if you've been following me, but I'm live up to 10 hours a day. And every night, a couple of nights ago, we did a fundraiser for those involved in the earthquakes in Turkey and Syria, and we raised during our show, our live event. Here it is on the screen, $250. Here it is. I'll share with you right now. Look, this went directly to the Red Cross. Nothing for me, no fees, no charges, no commission to me. 100% straight to the Red Cross. This was a Red Cross fundraiser, and what we're doing, we're continually fundraising. You don't have to donate anything to raise money for this cause. All you've got to do is share this video, and all the money I get from it will go directly to the Red Cross. And below the video is a link to the Red Cross. And every night I premiere a new video taken from that concert. And tonight is part 3. For those of you who don't know, I'm the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me. This is where I'm recording the Virgin Galactic single, by the way, in case you didn't know. But here is the world premiere tonight. It goes live in 1 hour, 9 minutes, 1 hour, 14 minutes from now. And it's part 3. And all you've got to do is watch, share, and like. And it helps raise awareness for those in Turkey and Syria in the earthquake. And also people can donate. So you don't have to donate if you can't afford to. There's tonight's video, part 3 of our earthquake fundraiser. It goes live, as you can see, in 73 minutes. Click the bell there, subscribe, and leave a comment, and you can be part of it, and you can send your message. And we actually have people calling in from Turkey as well. And while we're watching White Knight, let's go over to White Knight again. So keep an eye. It's now heading out east at the moment. It will turn around in a minute. There we go. Just as I said it, it turned. So I will share with you a little bit here from our friend who called in from Turkey. This is Jose, called in from Turkey when we did the fundraiser.
You should be always feel up, Martyn. You're doing a great job, and the people around you, you surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own, things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a grateful, like I'm very thankful for that, and I'm wishing you all the best.
There we go. If you want to call into our show, you could be live on our show. All you've got to do is go through Discord. You can call in by video, or you can call in by voice. It's entirely up to you. I'll just give you a little example here.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the date.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now,
okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing.
There you go. A few people there just called in. You can call in as well. Let's go back to the stock price. It's still going up. Let's go, and I can see now White Knight is heading back towards the hangar. Let's see if we can get more information from the people on the ground. If anybody there wants to call in, they can. I worked for Richard Branson years ago on the Virgin Experiences, and that's where I see the money with Virgin Galactic, not the flights at all. It's the Virgin Experiences around the flights. That's where the money will be made. I'm really confident on that fact. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic mothership test flight to be conducted today. Let's have a little look. I'm trying to read some more information. A lot of false information comes out on Twitter and particularly Reddit. Gangs of people get together and make up ridiculous stories to promote the stock and then dump it. It's like a band of thieves to get together. I find that sort of thing disgusting. It happens all the time. And I won't read out the rubbish that gets talked about. Anyway, we're watching White Knight right now. I do believe that the stock price will be $100 a share, not because I believe it's worth that much, because it'll go to $100 because the way it'll trade. So I don't need to own thousands of shares of Virgin Galactic. A balanced portfolio is more important. So for me, a balanced portfolio, using the money I made from Virgin Galactic to buy something much more stable right now. For example, J&J, Coca-Cola, VU, the S&P 500, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing with my money. Let me bring the comments on the screen. Who have we got here? Stephen Lewandowski, I am back. Hi, everyone. Hi, Craig. Hi, Stephen. Hi, George. Excellent. Thank you for coming back. Welcome to all of you. Thanks to all my Matty Space to the Moon. That's what he says. Because Elon is flying, we'll get a good boost. Elon will be flying later on this year. Apparently. Not confirmed, but apparently. I don't believe everything that we hear on social media. Now then, are we coming into land now? We are at 36,000 feet. So we're at 36,000 feet now, so we are climbing. This is interesting. We were at 29,000 feet for the first hour. We're at 37,000 feet now, and it's going up quickly. 37,000 feet. 38,000 feet now. We are going up very quickly. I wonder are we going to launch? There's no evidence of that, but who knows? Would it not be a good idea to get some more shares today before Virgin's PR department goes into overdrive? Oops, hang on a minute. That's a bit too big, that comment. As you know, whenever they release news on Twitter, it pumps. No, I never buy a pump. That's the worst thing to do. I've got a nice balanced portfolio. I'm investing for the long term. I don't need to do that. I'm not going to buy on the way up. No, never do that. I don't need to. This is my overall portfolio. Remember, I have no car loan, no mortgage. All I want to do is make $100,000 by the end of this year, and I am more than on target to do that. I've got no margin, no debts, no stress, no worries, no fear. So a balanced portfolio is essential. So no, I'm not going to buy it now. Over 12,000 shares of Space. Congratulations, Stephen. Very nice indeed. I'm not in a position to afford that amount of shares, and it would be bad for me to sell my positions and put it all in one thing. Right, where are we now? We're 39,000 feet, 40,000 feet. Okay, we're now at 40,000 feet now. Very, very interesting. You'll be a millionaire when it pumps, Stephen. He will. Only if he sells it, however. If he holds on to it, he won't be. And that is the most important thing. There's no point just holding on to it. You've got to sell it. And if I'm up 100% on anything, I sell it. That's one of my golden rules. I sold Lucid the other day. We're at 41,000 feet now. We're at 41,000 feet. Very, very cool. So how do dividends really work? Do you buy a few shares and in a month they'll pay you however much, or do you have to keep buying every month in that stock? Flutter Edits, I'm just answering your question. No, once you own a stock, as long as you are in that stock on the ex-dividend date, when it releases its allocation of dividends for the next quarter, or whenever it pays out, some pay out monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever it might be, then you will receive your dividends as long as you are holding the stock at that point. You don't have to keep buying stock. You can just buy and forget it. If you want to buy a stock that's a dividend stock, buy it. But however, the company does not always have to pay out the dividend. If there's a problem or they can't afford to, they announce it every time what the dividend's going to be. And just because they say there's a dividend doesn't mean there will be forever and ever and ever. Some companies have paid out consistently, like Coca-Cola, J&J. Some companies have failed to post out because they've not made enough money. Only invest what you can afford to live without. I've always said you shouldn't invest anything. If you've got debts, mortgages, car loans, anything, you should pay that off first, because that's costing you more money than you're going to make. All right, the stock price is now at 588, 589. It's going up nicely. We are not in a bull market anymore. We're in a bear market rally, however. So we're in a different world. Retail investors have got burned. Margin has taken a lot of people's money. We're in a different situation now. The real investors, not the retail investors like you or I, but the big investors, they're not even touching the stock. I was having lunch with someone a few moments ago who owns a lot of Amazon, and they won't even touch this stock at all. They don't need the risk, and we're in a very precarious financial time right now. So it doesn't matter how good the stock is. Right now is, not the best time for those type of investors. There's a reason why Richard Branson sold out. He's not stupid. He knows the stock's going down, and it did, and it might even go a lot lower, which is why I've sold my position. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the experiences. It's why I put my money into J&J, because we're getting like year lows now. A company that have insurance for the talcum powder claim, right? This isn't going to keep going down. This is being sold off, and it's time to get in. So I'm buying this with my money. I'm buying Coca-Cola. I'm buying VU. I'm buying Solar. And at some point, I will trim off the top and buy back into Virgin Galactic. And before anyone tells me, and I get this all the time on Reddit, they'll go, "Oh, you're an idiot. You'll buy it when it goes up." No, I won't. I never buy any stock when it goes up. That's called FOMO. I have no FOMO at all. FOMO is ridiculous. But I used to have it when I first started. I made that mistake and I learned that mistake to my cost. Anyway, let's go back over now to the Mojave Desert. Keep our eye on what's going on. There you go. We can see now we're at 41,200 feet. So we're getting up there now. Still rising. We've got 65 people, 69 watching right now. If you, I want to put a warning out. Very, very important, right? The aim of this channel is, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is my real money, okay? All of my real money. And I'm live with you 10 hours a day, all right? Every single day. I've been here when Virgin Galactic was up. I've been here when it was down. And other YouTubers are telling you what they want you to hear to get them to watch. I don't do that. In fact, I've just put out a very controversial video all about Elon Musk, which a lot of people don't like. I don't care. I don't do anything for you to watch. It's not clickbait or anything like that. It's my real money, my real trades based on real knowledge, really talking to people that are actually involved in the stock. That's all I'm interested in. And my aim is to grow the most honest, real channel on YouTube. That's my aim. And that's why I have my average viewer watches me 4 hours a day. And we have 95% of live viewers who are members. That's why. And we want that. So there are other YouTubers who are telling you all kinds of nonsense who only come on and talk about Virgin Galactic when it goes up. Well, I was there when it was going down for a year. And the market and the position has changed, even though I'm bullish and I'm going to fly on it one day. And I've been to the Virgin Orbit space station. I've worked for Richard Branson. I'm going to the Virgin Galactic space station this year. All of that stuff doesn't mean to say I don't recognize that we're in a bear market rally, which could easily be wiped out. Inflation is still out of control. And Virgin Galactic need to fly soon. They need to start collecting that money. Their cash burn is a little bit too hot right now. We need to fly. In the next 6 months, we need paying customers. Otherwise, they're going to struggle to raise more funds. Stock price is too low. We know they're going to have to raise capital by diluting the stock. That means it'll be worth less. Another reason not for buying the pump. I'm happy it's going up today. That's great. I'm not trimming anything off. I've already trimmed it to the bone. I had 2,000 shares. I want 4,000. Like your channel and your enthusiasm. Only ever buy it in the red. And I only ever buy my all-time low positions as well. Okay. Right, we are 1 hour to go. 1 hour to go for part 3 of our fundraiser for the Red Cross. For those in Turkey and Syria in the earthquake, we had friends phone in from Turkey who were there in Turkey, phoned into my show. There is the world premiere. It goes live in 1 hour from now. You don't even have to donate. Just be part of it. There is part 3. For those who don't know, I was voted the World Piano Man. I performed in 195 countries. Please, all you've got to do is click that link in the chat right now. Click the bell, click the like, leave a comment, and watch it. And tonight's song with scenes from Turkey is Yesterday. All right, so please join us for that. And just by watching the video, I don't make any money from the video. It's there to help others. And when the video gets seen and watched, more people will see it and more people will donate directly to the Red Cross. So please do join us for that, right? The Church of Logic, stocks, still not $10 yet. Church of Logic, how are you? Now, Church, you might be interested in this. I put out my strongest ever opinion on Elon Musk today. This is the video. I would like your opinion because I know you are not a fan of Elon Musk. I used to be. However, I was deeply offended. And as an investor, there's the video, Church. It's just gone out. It's getting a lot of views now on YouTube. Here is the image. I'll share it with you right now. Look, this is what I just did a few moments ago. And did you see this? I think this is beyond any measure of a CEO who represents a company. This, for me, I will now no longer buy a Tesla. Did you see this? He basically saying, Elon's tweets, I stuff it to you, I don't care. He's got this girl here, grabbed her hair at the back, feeding her with Elon's milk. I find that deeply offensive. I find that disrespectful. And I cannot have that man at the heart of my investments. So there you go. If you want to go and check it out, please do. But that's it. I don't care how clever he is. I don't care how good Tesla is. At the end of the day, that's not the person I want a custodian for my money. Tesla is a great company, but I'm afraid he should be fired immediately as the CEO. Anyway, I think it's terrible. It's as if he wants to destroy Tesla. It's as if he does. Anyway, we're watching White Knight right now, Virgin Galactic Special. Let's check all my positions right now and see how this has affected everything. Let's see how many people are watching right now, because if we get to 100 likes, we will give away the money I make on the video. All right, I will give it away and it will go directly to the Red Cross, actually. So all you've got to do is like the video. Let's have a little look. Let's put a minute on the clock, see how many we've got. 1 minute on the clock, and let's do it. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. Let me zoom in. We've got 70 people watching. There you go. 70 people watching and 34 likes. Please like the video. If we get to 100, I will give it 35, 36, 37. There we go. Thank you ever so much, guys. 38. I will donate the money I make from the video directly to the Red Cross. 40. Brilliant. Look at that. We should, you know, if we've got real decent people here today, we've got 69 watching. Look, we should have 69 likes. 42. Brilliant. 20 seconds to go. Thank you, guys. If we get to 100, I can do it. That's the deal. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Right, let's go back to our live position here with White Knight, SPCE, Alex. Well, what we're testing this afternoon, we are now at 41,200 feet. So we're right there now. Eric B, thank you very much, Eric. What do you have to say about my videos? Anybody seen the video yet? I'll do a poll right now. Let's do a poll in the chat, because we'll do a poll actually on Virgin Galactic. So will SPCE hit $100 a share? And I've told you why I think it will. Not because it's worth it, because it's psychological to the retail investors and the manipulators. I think just like DWAC and Mullen and all these things, and Virgin, Tesla, $1,200. It will go way above, because I think the passion for this will drive it up. I will absolutely sell it. Will SPCE $100 a share when Elon flies? Okay, that's the question. And he is apparently to fly this year. Okay. Will space hit $100 a share when Elon is on board? Okay, here we go. Yes or no? So live poll. There we go. Now YouTube members can call in. It is a long test flight. We've been up now for an hour and 50 minutes. An hour and 50 minutes. It is a long test flight, isn't it? We are now at 41,000 feet. We're at 76 watching and 44 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we'll give away the money to the Red Cross today. So it's up to you. Awesome stuff. If Elon flies, yes, all the fanboys will jump in and pump it up. Yes, look at that. I paid over $32,000 Fed tax 2022. I'm taking nothing out of my stocks right now. I'm holding everything. Don't want to pay short gains tax. That damn FOMO just bought 1,000 shares at 583. Really? Oh my gosh. As I've got a feeling about it this time around, I can see it hitting 10 very soon when Virgin Galactic start ramping up the excitement. I can, but I see it going lower first. But to see, I never want to own a stock that can fall off a cliff. For me, I've got a specific aim and a specific purpose. Remember, I've got no car loan, no loans, no debts. I'm just setting out. For me, number one, building a community on YouTube, it based upon honesty and integrity, right? Number one thing. I am. My target is $100,000 to. Is $100,000 this year and $200,000 next year. That's it. But I want to do that in a way that's calm. Now, I used to own 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. And in fact, all my shares I have now were doubled and tripled. I had $50,000 worth of margin. And I got COVID at Christmas. You may remember, I got COVID at Christmas, and it suddenly dawned on me what would happen if I got ill and I died. My wife wouldn't have a clue. Now, many idiots, actually, and I use the word idiots with choice. Many idiots on Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, sorry, but below my YouTube videos, comments, said he's just sold all his shares of Virgin Galactic because he's doing what his wife said. It's got nothing to do with it. My priority is my health, happiness, my wife, and my financial independence and freedom. There's nothing clever at all about getting over your head in margin to try, because basically for greed. As Warren Buffett says, make money from money. And the biggest investment you make is yourself. It's why I built the YouTube channel. It's why I go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm always here trying to help others, always trying to keep it real. No clickbait. I just tell you the truth as I see it. I want to be calm and happy and not stressed. How many people are over their heads? And I got rid of my margin, and it's the best thing I ever did. It's the best thing I ever did. And this year, I'm up this year way more than any point last year. It's far better. I know we're in a bear market rally where before we were in a bull market that was declining. But it's not just because of that. It's what I've been doing with my money, and I feel much happier. Much happier. We're at 40,600 feet now, so I don't need to own millions of shares of Virgin Galactic anymore, at all. Zcart's 15,000. Remember, this is my overall portfolio is here on the screen for you all to see. Right? Let's get one thing straight. I've got $36,000 here in my account, and it's a diverse portfolio. It's not all in one stock, it's so I can sleep at night, right? But altogether, I'm worth $42,000 because there's my Roth IRA as well, all on Robinhood, all in front of you every day. Okay, so that's it. Now then. We've got someone very special in the stream with us today. I've got somebody. I've got two people actually. I've got somebody in the stream who's watching my channel. I'm not permitted to tell you who it is, but all I can tell you is that I have worked for this person, and that person is watching the stream right now, and that's all I can say, and that's all I'm permitted to say. Anyway, we also have somebody this afternoon here who is somebody very important to our channel as well. It's one of our sponsors. Now, a lot of sponsors sponsor YouTube channels, and they give them money to say things We all know about the FTX debacle. Well, this is somebody who pays me $99 a month to sponsor my channel. And for that, I am actively involved in this program. My mic isn't cutting out. My mic is fine. Everything's fine with the audio. Flutter, you can't hear me. There's, hang on. There's no reason for that. No, that's fine. Everything's fine there. Just checking. Someone said they couldn't hear me. No, the audio is coming through fine. I apologize if someone can't hear it. Anyway, White Knight's coming back to the hangar. So anyway, it's Ali Tisro in the channel right now. It's Ali Tisro here in the channel because we've got something very exciting to talk to you about. This person pays me 99 bucks to be a sponsor of my channel, and he has set me a challenge. And he says, Martyn, I want to turn $1,000 to $10,000 or 7,000 to 100,000 live on your show. And I said, I accept that challenge. And I got rid of my margin. I'm doing a mic check. There's nothing wrong with my microphone, guys. Nothing at all. I'm just double checking so we can be clear. I'm doing a mic check. No, there's nothing wrong with the audio. I got 14 screens around this studio and I'm watching everything from different angles and different monitors. You can't see off on the walls behind me. I've got a big TV screen here. I know the sound is coming through fine. That was for you. My wife just popped in to say hello. Anyway, so we are watching White Knight head back now. We're running a poll right now saying, will it reach $100 a share? Now then, what was I just going to say? I was going to mention, yes, there was an issue, but if you refresh, it's all okay. Yeah, just refresh. There's no issue this end. It's not my broadcast. It's just obviously something to do with YouTube. Anyway, so he set a challenge for me, $1,000 to $10,000, $7,000 to $100,000, and I said I accept that challenge. Now, I know nothing about crypto, don't even care to, but I do believe it has a place on your portfolio between 1% and 5%, like a lottery ticket, 0.001, right at the top of your investment triangle. I believe that. So I have entered into the challenge with Ali Tisro. So here is my Coinbase, my $1,000. And Ali is our crypto expert. And as you can see, I'm up. Look, 1,072 now. I'm going up with no stress, no fear, no worries whatsoever. Ali will choose the crypto he wants to buy, tell me when to buy it. And all of this is shared on our Discord server. Now, it's a premium service. Our Discord server is free. I'm going to give everyone my Discord server. If you want to call in live to the show, be on the show, call in, talk to all my traders 24/7. Remember, everyone on our platform is there just to share their life experiences. All right? We're not here to pump, promote, sell you anything. It's our own money, our real money. Anything that's manipulated gets banned from my server. There is my server. If you go there, you will see Ali Tisro's server if you are a YouTube member of mine. Okay, and then you'll get a lifetime discount to the Ali Tisro's crypto challenge. If however you would rather go direct and you don't want to be a member of mine, you can, but you'll pay the full price. Recommend you go with me because you get basically my membership virtually free because of the discount. I'm here to help people, okay? However, if you want to go directly with Ali's service and you don't want to be a member of mine, that's absolutely fine. I recommend it. I use the service. Here is Ali Tisro's Discord server, and he will help you. He will do charts for you and all the rest of it. We are watching White Knight. We are now at 41,400 feet. It's still testing. It's still up in the air, obviously. The stock price is now, let's have a quick look. $5.91 up 11.63. I know some of you have started to buy it. I think that's a mistake in my opinion. It's only my opinion. I am not buying it at this point. I'm already in. I've had 2,000 shares. I've told you why I sold. Same reasons other people who have sold the stock. You can be bullish. Doesn't mean you have to own the stock. I have money. I told you what I did with my money. I sold it and I bought J&J, which is at the lowest point it's been for a year because of the court case. It's the right thing to do in a bear market. It's a defensive stock. I also put it in Coca-Cola. I also put it in Next Era Energy, and so on and so forth. So you know that's why I did that. Okay. And as you can see, I was right because that's going up and that pays me a dividend. I can then make some more money and then put that in SPCE at the right time. Now, I won't be chasing the stock up when it goes up. I'm already in and I'm happy. Ali Tisro is in the server. There you go. He's in the chat. He's given you his... He's given you his Discord server. Now, for those of you who don't know, I worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Lifetime Experiences, the Virgin Experiences, as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. I've toured 195 countries. And in the evening, this studio lights up with the Virgin Galactic colours. And I'm recording a Virgin Galactic single for Virgin Galactic. And I'm going to release it soon. And all the money I make from it, I'm going to buy shares of Virgin Galactic, whatever the price is. If I make $1 million from the video, I spend $1 million on the share on the stock. So all you've got to do is watch the video if you want to promote Virgin Galactic stock price. How's your Coinbase looking? All right, how's my Coinbase looking? You want me to go and have a look for you, Ali? Let me go over to my Robinhood account very, very quickly. I think you know the answer to this. This is my Roth IRA, and Coinbase is now up 95% right at the bottom. Can you see it? I've only got one share. Ali said to me, go and buy some Coinbase, and I did. Play in the air tonight. That's a good one. Calling in the air tonight. Yeah, that'd be good, wouldn't it? Right, Virgin Galactic is now 12.1%. Some of you are buying it now, right? Are you buying it on the pump? Are you not worried you'll miss a big run? No. Why am I worried? I've got a nice diverse portfolio. I have no FOMO. The only enemy all of you here have is fear of missing out. It's the biggest mistake anyone could make. No, I've got no fear. I'm going to make $100,000 anyway. Does it matter if I make it on Apple or Coca-Cola or J&J or Walmart or Tesco's or Virgin Galactic? Why does it matter? Why does it matter? It's like saying, am I worried if I'm not going to win the lottery tonight? I'm not buying a lottery ticket, so I've got no chance. Anyway, we are now at 91 watching and 50 likes. If we get 100 likes, I will donate some more money to the Red Cross, the money I make from the video. So, all you've got to do, let me put a minute on the clock. Free money. We're here to help people. It's what we do. So here we go. Let's go over to it right now and... smash the like button. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me share on the screen with you right now so you can see exactly what we got. 96 watching. Right, all we need now, 101. All we need now is 100 likes. If everyone likes the video, the money I make from my live video today, I can donate to the Red Cross. You'll see me do it live on the show. 52, 53. By the end of the show, you got 45 minutes before I finish. If we get to 100 likes, I will do it. We've got 99 watching and we've got 54 likes. That's all you've got to do is like the video. And the money at 56. Awesome stuff. 59, we're on the way there. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic stuff indeed. Let me get Mr. Mini-Me off the screen. Let's go back to our live position of Virgin Galactic. Here we are now at 12%, 38. Look at that. It's going up and up and up. Someone's saying, aren't you afraid you're missing the pump? No, there's no FOMO here. It's only money. I'm making it in other places. It doesn't matter. Let's bring some of the comments in. Hi, Bootsy, Coinbase portfolio. I shared that. Can you record up and away in the balloon? Yes, I can. Pump it. He bought Stefan. Pump it. There we go. Stefan just bought some. Hey, there's another. So everyone's buying it now. It's going up. Everyone said to me, Martyn, you'll buy it when it goes up. No, I only ever buy things when they go down. So golden rule of investing. Space will hit an all-time high this year. I expect it to do so. And I will make my target with what I've already got. I don't need to own any more. Where are you, buddy? George Semaine, where are you? Michael Anthony bought it when it went to 62. Still in and do think it will go to 100. Yes, so do I. It will go to 100, not because it's worth it. It makes no sense to bid 100. The balance sheet would not make any sense whatsoever. Why a sudden increase, Mohammed? Because it's flying. It's flying right now. We are covering it live. Do you want to see it in the air? All right. There you go. Let me go back to it right now. There we go. Show on the map. There we go. We're still in the air. We're still at... Oh, we're coming down now. We're coming down. We're at 27,000 feet. It's on the way down. Virgin Galactic. Who has just been buying it on the way it's gone up? Will not fall. Now, for me, there's no point me trading it. No point me selling it right now. I only have a very small amount. I say very small. For somebody else, it's a lot of money, right? For me, it's a small amount compared to my portfolio. It's 3% of my portfolio. That is correct. That is the right balance of my portfolio. Now then, I could sell this now. However, I've already trimmed from 2,000. There's no point me trimming this. I could, but I'm not going to. Let's go back to the main price, the main flight. We're now at 25,000 feet. It's come down. 24. Yes, we are coming down. 24,000. Yeah, we are coming down. If your view is long-term and high conviction, it doesn't matter if you buy now at 3. Time in the market could bite you more, Piano Man. I'm not trying to time the market. You misunderstand me. It's a balanced portfolio. I used to be all in on stocks. I used to have fear. I used to buy in when everything went up. I used to read all the rubbish news. And then I decided this isn't how to invest at all. I surrounded myself. I built the YouTube channel and I surrounded myself by the best people in the field. Okay, I have great chart readers, great tech analysis guys, great crypto guys with Ali, and I started talking to people that invest in their millions, and I learned a completely different approach. And even though I am most certainly a small-time YouTuber and a small-time retailer, I want to adopt an attitude of a big-time investor. And I'm looking at this as part of a portfolio, not the portfolio. And the fact of the matter is, as bullish as it may be, as bullish as I may feel about this stock, it is, however, speculative because it doesn't make any money yet. Okay, it still loses money. And if we scroll down for a moment and remind ourselves of the earnings, and this is what we should be doing, folks, it's missed on every single earning, which it expects to do, because at the end of the day, it's investing. But for me, it's not about the rocket ships. It's about the experiences. Having worked for Sir Richard Branson, I know the money is going to come from the Virgin experiences, the hotels, and what surrounds the day of the astronaut flying into space. But however, they are running out of money. And there's no bottomless pit of money. I know it's going to be successful because Richard Branson wants this to be his legacy. So I've no doubt about that. Martyn's journey has been amazing to watch. No stress, no greed. I've got what I need. And for me, it's about you and being honest and real. And I'm not going to promote or pump or anything. But I am going to reach my target. And I'm going to do it without any stress. Holding 500 shares. Congratulations, Captain Chuck. Captain Chuck, thank you very much indeed. We're at 68 likes now. If we make 100, we will give away a cash prize. Okay. Just watching the test flight now. We are now at 18,000 feet. So when we come into land, we should be able to get some information from from my sources on the ground how the flight went, and hopefully get some good news. Because at the end of the day, what we're looking for is a positive test, not just, well, we tested it and everyone got excited and pumped the stock up. I mean, look at you guys. Many of you now have bought the stock just because it's going up. With the greatest respect to all of you, that's the worst thing to do. All of you, well, not all of you, but several of you today said, this is great, I'm going to buy it. Why? If you've done the research on the stock, you should already be in. Why are you buying it when it goes up? When it goes up, you should enjoy it going up. And I made that mistake. I bought Virgin Galactic at $35 when I first started investing. I thought, oh, it's only ever going to go up. It's only ever going to go up. This is brilliant. And I forgot to read the balance sheet. I forgot to look at the numbers. Made no sense. Everyone's buying it because now it's going up. Anyway, let's zoom in and let's have a look. We're now at 16,000 feet. We're coming in. Hello, hello, hello. What's that helicopter? Richard Branson's on the... Look at this. Is Richard Branson there? What's going on? That helicopter's getting very close to the hangar. $3,000 feet. Okay, that helicopter's getting pretty close. 15,000 feet. I wonder if we've got Richard Branson flying in. Do you think we'll get some news from Virgin Galactic after hours showing Eve on the test flight? I don't know. I don't know, Pete. I'd love to say yes, but I don't know the answer to that question. Let's look at Bitcoin on Coinbase, please. Okay, certainly. If you are a member of my channel, you can call into the show. We can celebrate your birthday. We have cash giveaways every day. We have cash giveaways on every Friday. We give away money to our Amazon affiliations. We give away money to our Twitch subscribers. You can ask me to do a poll, ask me to make a video and review a stock for you. We get exclusive content. I reply to everyone's comments. I promote you on YouTube. All of that is for my members because I make no money from my live videos. I'm only here because of my members. I have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube of live viewers who are members ratio. The average is 8 to 9%. I'm 95%. There's an invitation to join. And one of my members has just said to me, can you look at a stock? So I will. Here's our Discord server. It's free for everybody, but if you go on there now and you go into the welcome all, I will upgrade you if you are a YouTube member. And then you can have access to Ali Tisro's information. Let me have a little look a minute. That helicopter is getting very close to the Mojave Desert. Whose helicopter is that? It's at 2,000 feet now. It's getting lower. Here is White Knight, now at 12,000 feet. I wonder that helicopter is going to be Sir Richard Branson. Anyway, so Ali says, can we look at Bitcoin on Coinbase? You certainly can. I'll do it live for you right now. Go into Coinbase. This is my Coinbase account. Remember, everything you see here is my real money. There we go. There's Bitcoin. Anything else you want to see? Very, very nice indeed. Thank you, Ali. I bought it at the right time. This portfolio started at $1,000. It's now $1,073. The challenge is to get to 1,000 to 10,000 live on the show, or 7,000 to 100,000, depending on which challenge that you are taking part of. White Knight is 10,000 feet. Not me. I've had 11,000 for a while now. Nice one, Martyn. Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about your balance of portfolio. You've already decided what's the allocation. Is it 5% of your portfolio, 10% of your portfolio, or are you a complete one-man stock, 100,000, 100%, the whole bloody lot, all on one stock? Obviously, that's not a good idea, but some people do it. Maybe you think that's the way to go. So that's a decision you have to make for yourself. For me, it's a balanced portfolio. I think a successful portfolio needs some risk in there, but it needs a stable foundation that's going to grow, but mainly to give me, a calm state of mind, so I'm not just buying the pumps and selling the dips and God knows what else. With respect, of course, great show. Thank you so much indeed, Martyn. I hope you'll join me in half an hour for my world premiere of tonight's song. I recorded a concert which raised $250 directly to the Red Cross from our friends in Turkey. This is my TV studio. I'll turn around, look. There you go. All right. I'm in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from England. And all this comes to life in the evening when I do my music. And tonight, in half an hour from now, we have our next world premiere. And you can raise money for the people in Turkey and Syria just by watching it and sharing it and leaving a comment and a like. There you go. There's the world premiere in the chat right now. Ali's just posted his Discord link to join his Discord server. Remember, what's the helicopter doing? It looks like it's... Did it land? I think it landed. That helicopter's gone. It can't have gone off the screen in that time. It's landed, which means it's landed. So who knows? Was that Sir Richard Branson? I have no idea. Remember, guys, Sir Richard Branson's not the only person who owns a flipping helicopter, is he? We're at 9,000 feet now. The helicopter landed, yeah. It's gone. Or it crashed. I mean, one of the two. Either landed or crashed. The helicopter is a Los Angeles Department of Water and Fire. Is it? Are you being serious? Oh, there it is. There you go. Airbus helicopter. Los Angeles, yeah, Department of Fire. Yes, it is. That's interesting, isn't it? Anyway, back to White Knight, 9,000 feet. Yeah, very, very interesting. Maybe part of the whole what do you call it? Testing phase. Right, look at Virgin Galactic now going up. Who's buying it? Who's buying it? Up she goes. I don't want to buy it. I want to stop. That's up 100%, and I've got no fear or stress. None whatsoever. We got, I don't know if it's landing yet. I'd say it is. It's at 9,000 feet now. So it's circling. Oh, let me go back to it. Sorry, you can't see it. There it is. Let's read some more comments here. It's almost at $6. Yeah. I'm surprised you're here to quote Buffett, then discuss this stock like a trader. Fair enough. I'm not Warren Buffett, am I? I think you learn from everybody. I learn from you. Everyone that's part of this channel, I learn from. This channel has evolved and grown from all of you. Anyway. We're at 10,000 feet. We're just circling the Mojave Desert at the moment. Very exciting. Let's see if we gained any subscribers during my show this afternoon. We gained a few earlier. Let's have a quick look. We've had 447 come through the channel. That's really, this video, that's really good for my channel. Thank you so much indeed for joining me. 6,415. We started the show, I think, with 6,400. So we gained 15, something like that. Thank you very much indeed. Have we got 100 likes yet? No, we've got 71 likes, 74 watching, and 71 likes. If we can get 100 likes, I will donate the money I make from the video, which is literally, well, it's not even $10, but it's a couple of bucks. It's a live video. It's all I make from my videos. The live shows don't make any money, but I will donate $10. It's all I can really afford, but I will do it to the Red Cross if we get 100 likes. I said I would, and I will. Making live videos does not make you money, especially when you only have 70, 80 people watch. Captain Chuck, I joined. What did you join, Captain Chuck? You joined Discord? Let me go to the welcome all then and upgrade you. So, this is how it works. You can call into our show. You can be part of our show. Here is our Discord link, and you can talk to all our traders and investors. We're there to help people. If you just want news and hype, Go to other channels. That's not what we do. We just tell you the truth with our real money. What did you join then? You said I joined. There is Discord right there. If anyone joins Discord, go into the welcome all screen. This is the welcome all screen right here. See it here on the screen? Welcome all. Look, see, hang on. There you go. Welcome all, left-hand side. It's a public channel. Go in there, say hello, and I'll upgrade you in the channel. And then you can call in and be part of all the benefits, all right? Oh, you subscribe. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed for subscribing. Captain Chuck, where are you from, mate? I'm from Cornwall in England, even though my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. Oh, just quickly, it's at 9,000 feet because I've got my regular audience here today who join me every day. We're here up to 10 hours a day. Let me share with you my entire portfolio, what I've got. So we're up today. We've got day trader of the day. I'm at 1%. My VU is up. Virgin Galactic is up 12.85. Virgin Orbit is up. No relation at all, remember. Just shares the branding. Rivian is up 8%. Tesla is up 1.73. I believe it will go down to 120. Lucid, it's being pumped and dumped. That was false news. Apple today is at 1%. Amazon is at 1%. This is my real money, my real shares. McDonald's is down today. I want to buy it when it goes lower though. Coca-Cola is up slightly. I've been buying the dips. For the dividends alone, it's worth it. J&J, same thing. I've been buying the dips. Hallie Isles is here. How are you, Hallie Isles? Google is up. Microsoft, sorry, Google, I beg your pardon. Google is, yes, Google is up. Microsoft, Walmart is up today. Tesco. Next, Area Energy. I love this. This is where I put my money from Virgin Galactic. It's going into here right now. Enphase is also up nearly 5% today. Bitcoin is up no, it's not. Beg your pardon. Yes, it is. 8.89% today. Tilray, 3.85. The whole market is pumping today. Robinhood, 4.97. So far, these are all my positions, all my actual money, all my trades. Even Ford. Ford is down today, 0.66. Rio Tinto, we're waiting to buy it back in there at the right time. Best value stock you can buy is, or you could have bought it when it was down 100, was Meta. Right, back to the flight. We need to kill Tesla fanboys or take their money. Yeah. We're 10,000 feet. We don't seem to be coming down just yet. I thought we were coming into land. I've got no one to welcome in yet to the welcome all screen. Thank you for all of you that subscribed to my channel this afternoon. We're just about coming to the end of our broadcast. And I'm back now. I'm on Discord. Oh, lovely. Okay, let's have a little look. Well, this is how it works. I'm from Miami, Florida. We have Stephen Lewandowski is from Florida, Palm Bay. Welcome to you. Captain Chuck, you can access the public channels. However, you can't call in and you can't see the exclusive channels. You can't get the discount from Ali. You can't call into the show. They are exclusive to members only. I don't know if you'd like to be a member. You'll notice 95% of our live viewers are. It's a couple of bucks a month. And if you are a member, not only do you get the Discord upgrade, and I will upgrade you live on the show, we have a newsletter, we have cash giveaways, we have exclusive content. I will reply to all your comments on YouTube. I will follow your social media. You can ask me to do a poll. You can ask me to review a stock. Many, many perks. Plus, as the World Piano Man, I'll sing you happy birthday on your birthday. Celebrate with you. We've had all kinds of special occasions celebrated on our show. We're now down at 8,000 feet. We are definitely coming into land. We are definitely coming into land right now. I want to go back over to Twitter and see if I can get some information from Virgin Galactic. There are some people I talked to at Virgin Galactic will hopefully give me some information. We're at 7,500 feet. We're definitely coming into land now. Scalping Sarah for a quick scalp before close. Ed Nevius. Nice one. I'm from Egypt and living in Manchester. Said Mohammed. I went to Cairo once, visited the pyramids of Giza. Wonderful country. And I also visited Old Trafford, saw David Beckham play back in the 90s. Long time ago. How is Rio? Rio! One of our Rio fans here. Ali Isles, let me have a quick look for you. I'm waiting to buy it in the dip. It's got one of the best dividends. We all know that. We all love Rio Tinto. You want to be buying it down in the dip. It's a commodity, of course. Buy it here in the dips. Right now, it's at a maximum, so I'm not buying it right now. But it's one I will buy back at the appropriate time. Back to Virgin Galactic. We got 4 minutes before the bell goes. I anticipate this going up in the after hours. I think people are jumping on the stock now, which I think is a mistake, but I understand why. I always buy when everyone else is selling, and I sell when everyone else is buying. So don't be surprised if I said I wasn't going to I wasn't going to sell this, but I might. I don't think I will, though, because I've already trimmed off. I had 2,000 shares. I want to get back to 4,000, but I don't need to yet. There'll be dips before. There'll be pumps again. But I've already trimmed to my lowest level. 200 is really as low as I want to go. I don't want to go lower than this. But I'm certainly not going to sell my Coca-Cola, J&J, my solar, my S&P 500 to buy it, no matter how much I think it's going to go up, because it wouldn't be the right thing for my portfolio. We're now down at 4,000 feet. We are definitely about to land. We're about to ring the bell. I don't see anybody in the welcome all screen to upgrade, so we're done there. Let me have a quick look. Did we get to 100 likes? We're at 75 likes. If we get to 100 likes, I will donate the money I make on the video to the Red Cross for those in Syria and Turkey. We've got 84 watching, 75 likes. Smash the like button, click the thumbs up, and we could do it. 76 now, nearly there. 76%. 2 minutes ago, we're going to bring up the clock in a second. And we have got exactly 17 minutes to go before my world premiere. For those of you who don't know, I'm the world piano man, and I am doing music every evening to raise money for those in Turkey and Syria and the earthquakes. The money goes directly to Oxfam. You don't have to donate. I'm not asking anybody for any money. We've just broken $6. We've just broken $6 on Virgin Galactic. Psychologically, that's quite important too. It's an important level. It's broke through $6. I think it could easily be $10 by tomorrow. Some of you are going, well, why don't you buy it then? I've got a balanced portfolio. I'm perfectly happy. I'm not going to chase it up. I want to be up 100% and have it sitting there comfortable. I don't want to have to worry about it. Anyway, here we go. It's time to ring the bell. 1 minute to go. Virgin Galactic is still going up. We're at 4,000 feet. We're coming down. We're about to ring the bell. See what goes up. See what goes on in the closing hours, in the closing market, the after hours. Sorry. Ciao, Martin. Greetings from Sicily. Welcome to Sicily. I liked, says Dev. Thank you, Dev. My birthday is tomorrow. It's Danny Williamson. If you're a member, we'll celebrate it live on the show. Danny Williamson, you can be a member for a couple of bucks, and live on the show, we will celebrate your birthday. I will go into my studio and sing happy birthday for you behind me, and you get to keep the video. All right? It's yours to keep. Let's ring the bell. We are in the after hours now. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. It's going down in the after hours just very slightly. I wouldn't be concerned about that just yet. We are at 4,000 feet now. We're definitely coming into land. Danny, become a member and you get a song. I know. How to become a member? Here is the invitation. Just become a member of the channel. Here it is. You can be bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, or investor level. Bronze member will get you a happy birthday tomorrow. We will do it live on the show. All right? And you get to keep the video. This is my TV studio. I go behind me live in the studio. All this lights up with special effects. And you will get a happy birthday, and I will celebrate with you. And all my members will celebrate with you live in our show tomorrow. We are live up to 10 hours a day. When you come in, we'll do it. Okay. And in fact, in 13 minutes from now, you'll see my world premiere of my next part 3 of 15 of my fundraiser for those in Turkey and Syria. And you'll see exactly what my studio looks like. But there you go. There's the invitation to join. If you become a member right now, there you go. You got a big surprise before we finish as well. Okay. You got to be quick though. We can upgrade you so you get all the access on Discord as well. Here is Discord. We might run out of time to upgrade you, so I'll do it live on the show. But we will celebrate your birthday tomorrow. We go live on the opening bell tomorrow, an hour before the opening bell. We are live during the... We go live at 7:30 Central, before the opening bell, for an hour. We then go right the way through the opening bell to about 2 hours in. We take a break for lunch and then we come back like we did today and we go all the way through. Sometimes after hours, we cover all the earnings. So there you go. Watching Virgin Galactic right now. We're about to end the show. We got a day trader of the day. So all members, please. Members only. It's a little game we play every day. Go to your main portfolio. Here is my live position. I'm up 1.18. As long as I'm up every day, I'm happy. I don't have to beat everybody else or make $1 million. Not interested in that. Just up. There you go. Up 1.18%. All my members, please. This is a competition we do every day for my members. Up 1.18%. All my members, please post your scores right now. Thank you very much indeed. Are you ready? 1 minute on the clock. We are at 2,500 feet now. I'm going to go back to Virgin Galactic so you can see it land. And my score is on the screen right now. Here it comes. Up 1.18. Uh, 3.21. Up 5.56, 1.89, 2.26. George is one of our members. We can credit him. Ali up 2. Britmark up 8%. Britmark's one of our members. Yeah. Up 4%. Awesome stuff. Ryan Carlson, one of our members. 10.58. Incredible. All right, 10.58, up 8.9%, mostly space. The winner, without a doubt, then is Ryan Carlson. Fantastic. Let me give you a big thank you for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed, Ryan Carlson. A thumbs up for you, and let's give him the sound effects. Here we go. Roko running up, says Ed Nevius. Drew Wolfert, Martyn 7.26. We can't obviously include our non-members. It's a members competition every day. We've got the day trader of the day competition every day. We've got our cash prize every Friday. If you get the newsletter, don't forget that as well. No way down today. I don't believe it's going to go down today. However, I don't have to worry about it like some of you did because I didn't buy it on the way up. I'm already in. And I will only buy it when it goes down. It will go up and down in between. And each time it goes down, I'll be able to add more because as we get more information about the success of the flight, then we know it'll make money later in the year. I don't need to worry about it. Okay, there is the flight. We're nearly on the ground now. Let's have a quick look. We just got a new subscriber. Thank you much indeed. Let me just go over here a minute. There we go. We're now at 2,500 feet. So we're definitely coming down. We're taking our time, however. Right, I've got to go. 10 minutes to go. Unfortunately, we have not got 100 likes. If we get 100 likes, I give away the money I make on the video to my Red Cross appeal for those in Turkey and Syria. It's not a lot, but I don't get money from I don't get hardly anything from going live. We're going up in the after hours, up 0.5%. Back to the stock. Let me just share with you quickly. Let me share with you how many we've got here. Just bear with me a second. Here we go. Let me zoom in. I've got 81 likes. We were very close today. 81 likes. We were very, very close to our 100. Didn't quite get there. That's a shame. I would love to have done it. But nevertheless, we are now going up in the after hours. There we go. I said it could reach $10 in the after hours tonight. I think it can. I don't see it going down now. I think it will go around to the $10, the $15, the $18, something like that in the coming weeks. I think that's quite likely. It might drop in between and back up again because people will take profits, and that's fine if they do. I don't mind that. It's 3.5% of my portfolio. Remember, at the end of the day, it's how you exit the stock. You might have 4,000 shares of Tesla, right? Of Virgin Galactic, but you might sell it all at 7. I might make more money on my 200 by selling it at 100. Let that just sink in a minute. Without any stress or fear or worry, a nice balanced portfolio will always beat an unbalanced portfolio. Because if I only have 200 shares and I've got no stress and I sell it at 100, I make a lot more money than you having 5,000 shares or something like that, which you paid for on the pump and you sell it at 7 or 10 or whatever. But you're likely to do that because you have so much money. Maybe you've used margin. I don't know. Anyway, so J&J at resistance level. J&J, absolutely. It's you should be buying this. This is what I use my money from Virgin Galactic to do. Also Coca-Cola, and also Next Era Energy and Enphase and VU. That's where all my money went. I also bought Apple and Amazon as well. Anyway, here's my overall portfolio. There's Virgin Galactic. It's a part of my portfolio. It's just not everything. Okay, the show is over. It's now time to do what's more important. Every night we have our special event, and tonight's special event is part 3 in the series. It's on my music channel. It starts in 7 minutes. Tonight, this could be the biggest one I've ever done. So Virgin Galactic investors, do you want to help others by doing absolutely nothing other than joining me on my music channel? Here it is. I'll give you the link right now. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. There it is. There's the link in the chat. Can you see it? We're going to be here in a couple of minutes. All you've got to do, you don't have to donate. We had this concert the other day. These are now the songs individually with the scenes of Syria and Turkey. Just watch it, leave a like, a comment, so it goes out to more people. So Virgin Galactic investors, you got loads of money. Help people who have nothing. We've had people call in from Turkey, and I paid out of my own money when I sold Virgin Galactic, and some donations I received to promote this video to go to people in Turkey and Syria, so they would know that we are thinking of them here in England and in the US. So there it is. It goes live in just a couple of moments' time. We're going to end this show in about 1 minute. Please do come and join us there, and you can be part of that. And every night, until we get to 15, we have one. Tonight is part 3 of 15, and I hope you'll join me. There you go. Anyway, we've got just a few seconds to go. We're just watching to see if we can see Virgin Galactic land. Also, I'm just making it work now that if you stay with this video, the video will take you directly to the experience, the song, and I hope you will join me. Doesn't cost you anything at all. We're going to end the poll. You said yes, it will go to $100 when Elon flies. Thank you very much. I agree with you 100%. Okay, I'm setting the redirect now, so when this finishes, you'll see it go directly there. Please do join me. Four minutes from now. Okay, I've set it. So this video will go directly. I'll share with you. We're still at 2,500 feet. The share price is going up. I said it probably would go to $10 or $15 in the next few days. I do feel that. I don't think it will be dropped at this point. I think there's too much attention on the stock right now for it to drop. However, I'm not buying it at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I bought it at 4. That's it. When Elon dies. Oops. No, not when Elon dies. When Elon flies, George Semaine. All right? When Elon flies. Okay. That's it from me. It's time for the world premiere. Stay right where you are. The video will take you directly there. But if you want to go there now and be the first, there is the link you can use as well. Okay, now it's time to roll the credits. Did anyone do a super chat today? If you appreciate this channel, I get nothing from live videos. Some people like to support me. To me, it's more important to build a community than it is to make videos that make money. That's my aim anyway. So there you go. There is the... Here is the credits. Let's get the show done. I'll see you back in the morning. I will see you live now on the premiere. Hopefully you'll be there. Let's roll the credits. Let's see who took part in today's show. Stars of the show today were subscribers, Fusan. There were more, but the public only shows the public ones. Unfortunately, we didn't get any super chats. Oh, we got a super chat right after that happened. So let me end the credits. Let me do it again, because George Semaine gave me a tip right at the end of the show. Let's try that again. I appreciate the tips is what makes this whole show possible. Thank you very much indeed, everyone. Let's try that again. It takes a few seconds for it to show up, doesn't it? So we'll try it again. Third time lucky, George. Thank you so much indeed for your tip. Let's have a look. Martin, if you think it will go to $10, why don't you add some of it? If it falls, scalp and buy it. Because I haven't got any money available right now. I don't get paid on YouTube until the 21st February. I haven't got any more money. That's the simple truth of that, I'm afraid. Anyway, it's time to go. The world premiere is around the corner. Did it not show your tip? It looks like it came to... what did I miss? You missed everything. It looks like, George, you came in a little bit too late for it to show up. I'll try it one last time. Yeah, sorry, mate. It's not going to work. You got to jump in quicker than that. All right, that's it from me. I will tell you now, Virgin Galactic is now at 2,500 feet. And the world premiere starts in 1 minute. Hopefully you'll all be there. See you back in the morning. Let's watch Virgin Galactic. It's now $6.02. That's it from me. See you back there. The world premiere starts in 30 seconds. Come and join us. Here's the link. Click on it. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Let's go and do something now for others who need our support. Virgin Galactic is going down 0.25%. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other.